Hello again, it's Jorfan here, Jorfan Tech, and I'll be taking you to refund again. Recently, I made a video regarding the refund issues and the policy, what to do and what I'm supposed to do. I'll first show you something here. I just got my refund, which was started yesterday, and that's been finished just now. Today, I got a notification or a message from my bank that they have deposited my refund today, of which it was closed just yesterday, as you can see from my message. So how are you going to be able to receive this refund at a very fast time? How are you going to get this process done in short period of time? The first thing you need to do is to talk to the seller. It's the best option. As you can see from here, I talked to him because I had just purchased this phone, the XA2. I was trying to buy for my little sister as a surprise, but then afterwards he told me this one is too old, it can't download the latest applications, and he gave me a chance to cancel the order. So we agreed, we canceled the order, and I'll just buy the S24 Ultra in the meantime. So we agreed, he canceled my order, and as you can see from here, even my refund has been refunded back to my original payment method, which is my bank. As you can see from here, this money has been refunded back to my account, and if you can click on refund proof, they will show you XP, this is the receipt, blah blah blah. So let me take you another thing. So that's how you can get a quick refund. Talk to the seller first. If the seller agrees, you're going to get your refund fast. And keep in mind, it will take around 2 to 5 days. But for my case, it's almost 1 day, 2 days, because it's a business profile I recently upgraded. Or you can still talk to Eva from the help center. You know how to do that. Recently, I showed you how to do that process. You just come on online service, then click and talk to Eva like that. For example, this is Eva. If you have like an issue, just click here and say chat with agent now. And then you proceed. She will help you. She will create so many things for you, and you get your refund within a short period of time. Now I'll go to some comments on my previous video I made. Uh, I think his name is Pine. He said they did not send me the money, and I replied recently, but I haven't got his reply again. So I don't know what you meant from here, but you should get your money. Just let me know if you got your money or not yet and so what to do. If my card I use in purchasing an item expired, will I get a refund? Yes, of course. They make a refund on your bank account. ATM card is just like a paper. You just need to withdraw your funds using ATM card. So no need to worry about that. Amazing. I get all my money back and good to keep the item. That's what's up. If you are told you submit a good response, if you have a good proof, then you can get both refund and you can also keep the item. How to refund custom tax? They don't refund custom tax. How many times can you refund item until in exchange? Of course, it's just one time, and for the second time you have to pay for it delivery. And I got one question on my Instagram. I can't see this message right now here, but he actually asks if he can get a refund to another bank card. No, keep in mind that Aliexpress, it does your refund on the same original payment method you used. If it's the ATM of yours, they will refund on that one. If it's for your friend, they put in on your friend. However, there is one more thing you can try to do. If at all you don't want to get a refund to your bank account, you can get it through bonus, which is just here. Click on bonus, and if you choose to get a refund by bonus, it will easily be recorded within seconds, and it will pop up here in dollars. You have blah blah blah, and you can use this to another order, to make another order on AliExpress still. If you don't prefer to receive this on your ATM card or on your bank account or on PayPal, they can easily find on AliExpress bonus, and you use this to make another order. I don't know if you have another question, but if you have another question, just let me know, and I'll be tackling that too. And for the smartphones, like I told you before, I always buy my smartphones from AliExpress. Like you see from here, I bought this iPhone from AliExpress. I mostly buy phones from AliExpress. I bought also another one, this one from AliExpress, and this one. I buy mostly iPhones from AliExpress. They have genuine products when it comes to smartphones. And so guys, that's it. Just let me know in the comments below what you need me to help you with. If you have any question, just comment below. I'll be ready to help you out. This is my cart. I'm going to purchase some items once again. I need this Japanese hood, and of course I'm going to buy another S24 Ultra. You can also hit me up on my Instagram, on my Facebook and Twitter. That's it, the X right now. And I think that's it. If you have any more questions, I welcome you to on. Also, I have one more thing to tell you. I have another video I'm going to make, which is I received a wrong package to my address. So what is supposed to do if you receive a wrong package? It's the next video I'm going to be making. Thanks for watching. Remain jorfan. Comment below. I'll be ready to help you out. Aliexpress.